Judge, this is Kevin Garza and
Okay.
Raphael Vital.
Are you representing both of them?
Judge, I'm helping David pause on Raphael.
Okay. So the first one is,
First one is Kevin Garza. This is Raphael Vital. This is Mr. Garza.
There's also a third co-defendant.
so Garza, you said Vital or?
That's Kevin, Judge. I'm sorry, Your Honor?
No. The other two are Locklear and Vital, right?
Yes, this is Vital.
Vital.
I'm here on Locklear, Your Honor.
You want to bring them up? Okay. You mind bringing them up?
Sure.
So Victoria, this is the
Sure. Yes.
co-defendant.
We have Garza, Vital, and Locklear, all three.
Come on up, guys. All right, so you're Kevin Garza, Mr. Garza, and Mr. Vital, and Mr. Locklear. All of you guys are charged with racing on a highway. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
Let's break this down. Racing on a public highway in Texas isn't just a reckless act. It's a criminal offense punishable by up to 6 months in jail and a $2,000 fine. What makes this case even more serious is that we're not talking about one rogue driver. This was an orchestrated 3-car event. The law views this not only as endangerment to the drivers themselves, but also to every innocent motorist on that road. And when the judge begins listing rights, including the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney, it's clear this isn't a traffic ticket. This is a criminal courtroom, and the stakes are high. Question for you, viewers. Do you think losing your license for life is fair punishment for street racing? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Garza and Locklear were stopped by the same officer, so I'm going to do them first and then move to
Sure.
Vital.
Okay.
On July 14th, 2024, undercover officers observed a white Audi and a white Chevrolet Camaro engage in a rolling dragging race by slowing down at approximately 8750 West Park Tollway in Harris County to 30 miles per hour in a 65 zone and accelerate to approximately 140 miles per hour in a
140. Which one did 140?
This one was Locklear and Garza in the rolling drag race. A marked patrol vehicle conducted a traffic stop on the vehicles, and defendant Carson Locklear was the driver of the Chevy Camaro, and defendant Kevin Garza was the driver of the car. Both defendants stated they got pulled over and admitted to racing each other on West Park Tollway. And then moving to Vital. On July 14th, deputies conducted a traffic stop on a red 2011 BMW M3 for racing on the highway. Prior to the traffic stop, undercover deputies observed 3 suspect vehicles, the red 2011 BMW M3 and the white Chevy Camaro SS and the Audi RS5 traveling side by side eastbound on West Park Tollway, maintaining a speed of 60 miles per hour while side by side, and then kept their vehicles aligned to begin the drag race. All 3 vehicles then simultaneously accelerated to speeds well over 120 miles per hour in the drag race competition to outdistance and outgain each other. The posted speed limit was 65, and deputies conducted a traffic stop on the red BMW M3, and the driver was Raphael Vital, the defendant.
$140 miles an hour. I am done with all of you. And I'm now taking away each of your privileges to drive. And if I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time that you drive. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care where you're going. I don't care if you're hauling baby cats to a damn funeral. What your excuse is. If I find that you drive for any reason, each of you will be doing a substantial amount of time in jail. Each time you drive, it's an offense in and of itself, punishable by 6 months in jail, and I can stack it. Do you understand? Mr. Vital, this is your second racing case. I swear to you on everything that's holy, if you get in a car behind the wheel for any reason, there will be HE double hockey sticks to pay. Do you
This
understand?
moment is courtroom gold. The judge isn't just issuing warnings, he's painting a picture of absolute hell if these young men mess up again. You'll face 6 months in jail for every offense, and I'll stack them. Translation, if they get caught driving even once, they could end up behind bars for years. And when he drops the H double hockey sticks line, you can feel the courtroom freeze. This isn't just sentencing, it's a verbal reckoning. Do you think this level of courtroom intensity is justified, or is the judge going too far? Hit the comments, let's debate.
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering you not to smoke weed, consume alcohol, and I'm sending you now for a drug test. Do you understand? Tracy, he goes down now. Both of you now, you other two, if I find that you drive for any reason, I will lose my shice. And I'm telling you now, our jails are crowded, but they're not so crowded to have you. And I'm going to tell you another thing. The legislature's made it very easy for district attorneys across the state of Texas to take cars from individuals who continue to do this. I'm surprised, Pavel, did they seize your car, Mr. Vital?
Here's a legal bombshell. In Texas, law enforcement can legally seize your car if it's used in the commission of certain crimes, including illegal racing. And the judge just made it crystal clear. If they keep it up, that's exactly what's going to happen. Civil asset forfeiture laws allow the state to take your vehicle even if you're not convicted. That's right, you don't need a guilty verdict to lose your ride forever. And the judge's tone here? Pure fire. I'm surprised they haven't seized your car already, he says, almost daring prosecutors to act. Would losing your car be enough to stop someone from street racing again? Let me know your take below.
I'm very surprised that they haven't done that. And I will be equally surprised if they don't. But get ready. Each of you will come up here, sign this promise to me that you're not going to drive. Heed my warning. You will not get another one. Do you understand? We're going to reset your cases to give you time to work these cases out with your lawyer. Martin, I saw that you were working over there, but at that speed, I don't care where they're going. I don't care what they need to do in life. My only concern is the protection of the highways in Houston. And I'm going to do everything in my power to protect every single person. If you want to race, there are places designated in Houston for you to do it. On the Sam Houston Tollway, on 610, on 59. That's not the proper place. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on.
And there it is, one of the most intense courtroom warnings we've seen this year. These young defendants walk away without jail time today, but under some of the strictest probation conditions possible. They've lost their driving privileges, face automatic jail time for any future violations, and could have their vehicles seized without notice. Judge Fleischer made it clear, the courtroom is not a pit stop, and the highway is not a racetrack. His mission? To protect every driver on the road, even if it means delivering harsh justice. So what do you think? Did the judge go too far, or was this exactly the kind of message needed to stop future street racing? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe to Gavel Truths for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. See you in the next one.